Australia is well known for its diverse agricultural output, with mango farming being a significant contributor to the country's fresh produce market. Australian farmers produce thousands of tons of mangoes each year, and the process is both labor-intensive and technologically advanced. From planting the first seedling to delivering fresh mangoes to markets across the world, the journey of Australian mangoes is a fascinating one. Mangoes thrive in warm, tropical, and subtropical climates, making regions such as Queensland, Northern Territory, and parts of Western Australia ideal for their cultivation. These areas experience long, hot summers, which are perfect for mango trees to flourish. Australian farmers select specific varieties of mangoes that are well suited to these conditions, such as Kensington Pride, R2E2, Calypso, and Honey Gold. Each of these varieties has a distinct flavor, texture, and size, which cater to both domestic and international markets. Mango farming in Australia typically begins with the planting of young mango trees. These trees take about 3 to 5 years to start bearing fruit and can continue producing mangoes for several decades under proper care. Australian farmers pay close attention to the health and growth of their mango trees throughout the year. One of the critical steps in mango farming is pruning. Pruning helps manage the size of the trees and promotes healthy growth, ensuring that each tree has enough space and sunlight to produce the best possible fruit. It also improves air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases and pests. Water management is another essential aspect of mango farming. Since mangoes are sensitive to both drought and overwatering, farmers use modern irrigation systems to carefully regulate the amount of water each tree receives. These systems often include drip irrigation and automated sprinklers that provide consistent and controlled watering, ensuring that the trees remain healthy and productive. Mango trees typically flower between June and August in Australia, depending on the region. The flowers are small, fragrant, and appear in clusters. Successful pollination is crucial for fruit development, and Australian farmers often rely on natural pollinators like bees to aid in the process. In some cases, farmers will introduce additional beehives to their farms to ensure a higher rate of pollination. Once pollination is complete, the fruit begins to develop. This stage lasts several months, with mangoes typically maturing between September and March, depending on the variety and region. During this time, farmers closely monitor the fruit for signs of pests and diseases, such as anthracnose or powdery mildew, and take preventative measures when necessary. The harvest season for mangoes in Australia is a busy and exciting time. Depending on the region, mangoes are harvested from September to April, with a peak season occurring between November and February. Australian farmers use both manual and mechanical methods to harvest their mangoes, depending on the scale of the farm. For smaller farms, harvesting is usually done by hand. Workers use poles with baskets attached to gently pluck the ripe mangoes from the trees. Larger farms, on the other hand, often employ mechanical harvesters, which can significantly speed up the process. Regardless of the method, great care is taken to ensure that the mangoes are not damaged during harvest, as bruising can reduce the fruit's quality and shelf life. After harvesting, the mangoes are taken to packing sheds, where they are sorted according to size, weight, and quality. The fruit undergoes a series of inspections to ensure that only the best mangoes make it to market. Mangoes that do not meet quality standards are often used for processing into products such as mango juice, puree, or dried mango. Once sorted, the mangoes are carefully packed into boxes, ready for distribution. Australia exports mangoes to several countries, including Japan, Hong Kong, and the United States. To meet international standards, the fruit is often treated with hot water or vapor heat to prevent the spread of pests and diseases. Australian mango farming has seen significant advancements in recent years, thanks to the adoption of modern technology. Many farms now use drones to monitor their crops from the air, allowing farmers to identify issues such as water stress, nutrient deficiencies, or pest infestations more quickly than ever before. Additionally, GPS-guided machinery is used for tasks like planting and harvesting, ensuring precision and efficiency. Some farms have also implemented automated sorting and packing systems, which reduce labor costs and increase the speed at which mangoes can be prepared for market. Sustainability is a key concern for many Australian mango farmers. As water resources become more limited, especially in regions prone to drought, farmers are adopting water-saving techniques such as rainwater harvesting and more efficient irrigation systems. Additionally, many farms are reducing their reliance on chemical pesticides by using integrated pest management (IPM) strategies, which involve using natural predators and organic treatments to control pests. By focusing on sustainability, Australian mango farmers are ensuring that they can continue to produce high-quality fruit for years to come, while also minimizing their impact on the environment. The production of thousands of tons of mangoes each year is a testament to the dedication and expertise of Australian farmers. From carefully selecting the right varieties and nurturing young trees to implementing cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices, every step in the mango farming process is crucial. As a result, Australian mangoes are not only enjoyed across the country but are also exported to markets worldwide, bringing the taste of the Australian summer to people all over the globe.
If you're hungry for more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Your support helps us bring more delicious stories from around the world, straight to your screen. Thank you, and see you next time.